Okay, guys, this is the NASDAQ forecast. Um, I'll be doing the 5-year chart, the 10-day chart, and the 6-month chart. Here we go. On the 5-day chart, this is what I was thinking when I saw this. Because when I saw this right here, because of the gap down on that Wednesday right there, see, I knew that this real rally here would be an upward 2, and I set up some shorts right here because I knew there's an inverse pattern. It was pretty simple, gap down, wave 1, wave 2, and then I was setting up my short trades right here because that's the third wave. And then boom, boom, boom. I was shorting like crazy there. Anyway, on 10-day chart, I was thinking wave 1, wave 2. This is a perfect wave 3. Upward 4 was perfect, and then this right here, excuse me, this right here just lasted a little too long as a fifth wave, taking a long, long time. Okay, here are the targets. The worst target would be the golden ratio, fifth wave, which is very rare, but I'm gonna have to mention it because there's just a lot of stuff. Let me clear this up here. Clear, 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 clear. 2190. Okay, 2190. Why is it doing this? 2190 minus 2097. Okay. The golden ratio of fifth wave is 1.618 times wave 1 plus wave 3, which I'm doing right now. Minus 91. Targets. Let's see. Fifth wave would target as low as 1980 to 2000. That's one target on the 10-day chart. See the other targets, the second longest target for a fifth wave would have targeted exactly 2040, and it closed below that. So the lowest target, according to the golden ratio fifth wave, is around 1980 to 2000. That's hopefully where support's gonna be, but I mean that's like hopefully. I mean, all right. It's not looking good. These charts just do not look good. 6-month chart for NASDAQ. I mean, this is why I'm shorting aggressively, because these are third waves and they're simple to short. So, my mentality right now is just straight. I mean, I'm always like that though, but this one I'm just like straight going after third waves because I'm seeing them right now. Okay. NASDAQ 6-month chart. I was thinking this: wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, right? And then upward 2 or upward B, which would be A, B, C, which exactly what happened. But it fell short of a full 0.618, which is like around 2257. If this was an upward 2 right here, this region right here, it would have targeted as high as 2257, or exactly 0.618 of the entire drop from the highs of 2375. The Based on what I'm reading here, I'm gonna try to figure this out here because this is just 2067. Excuse me. 2375. 2067. Wow. That is exactly 0.382 right here. It retraced 0.382, which is 2185. The high was 2190. It retraced exactly 0.32 of the entire drop from 2375 down to 2067, which means this could qualify, yes, as an upward 2 or an upward B. Because upward 2s and B's can be 0.618 or 0.382. This one is exactly 0.382. So the worst case scenario is this inverse pattern break right here around 2067 is, yes, the start of a downward 3. And because it looks pretty clear cut, I will have to mention exactly what might happen. So just so you be prepared for it, just in case. 2375 minus 2067 equals times 1.618. See, if this were here as the top of a B, then the worst case scenario is 1691. That's 1.618. If you get wave 1, wave 1, wave 2, and then wave 3. See, this is a third wave setup downward. So the worst case scenario is, yes, 1691. Best case scenario, just to make you feel better, but is that this circle region is just a 4 retracing this move right here. 3, 4, 5. That's the best case scenario is this. 3, 4, 5. Target wise, 0.618 times wave 1 plus wave 3 would find support at 1980 to 2000. And best case scenario is 3, 4, 5, holding 1980 to 2000, and then a rally 0.618 to around 2240 to retrace the entire 5-wave move. And then in October, September, October, the C wave. I mean, I'm thinking A, B, C, because I don't believe that after this type of downward impulse, that any rally from here is going to be a true impulse. I've been shorting and trading in and out, just like really sniperish, like boom, 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 I don't hold very long. I try to grab as much as I can, like 1%, 2%, and then eventually one of them will hit, and it'll be like 10% or 100%, or I mean, sometimes my little pattern trades turn to big monsters, But if you have your little singles, grab your little singles. 20-30% of the time, it's boom, So best case scenario again, 3, 4, 5. Holding support in 1980 to 2000, and a rally back to 2257, and then a C wave into October. Worst case scenario is 1, or A, and then B, or 2, and boom, 3, to 1691 to 1700. That's the worst case scenario. I have to mention it. So I'm not gonna be nice. I mean, I don't try to I tell you exactly what's going on, and exactly what I see. I mean, that's what I do. I'm trying to be as unbiased as I can. And I'm very unbiased. A large majority of the time, I'm very unbiased about waves. Okay, 5-year chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leading diagonal. This is one of my scenarios I had last December. I had 2 scenarios. 1, 2, boom, 3, upward 3, or this here being a leading diagonal, A, B, C, D, E, and then boom. And that was the worst case scenario, and we got it. That could be wave 2. And I was looking at support at around 1600 at 1590, 1600 is a 0.618 support, and previous 4 support at 1780. That's the worst case scenario. I'd rather see A, B, C, but best case scenario is A, and then down holding 2000, B to 2257, then a C wave in October. Worst case scenario is the entire thing happening all at once. Boom. That's my forecast.